Raising cats at home can be a wonderful experience for anyone who loves these furry felines. They make great companions, are relatively low maintenance, and are known for their playful and affectionate nature. In this article, we will explore the basics of raising cats at home, including feeding, grooming, and creating a safe and comfortable living environment. Feeding your cat. Feeding your cat a well-balanced diet is essential to their health and well-being. It is recommended to feed your cat a mix of wet and dry food to provide them with the nutrients they need. Be sure to read the labels of the cat food you purchase and look for brands that contain high-quality protein and limited fillers. You should also provide your cat with fresh water at all times. Grooming your cat. Cats are known for their cleanliness, but they still require some grooming to keep their fur healthy and free of tangles. Brush your cat's fur regularly to remove loose hair and prevent matting. You should also trim your cat's nails regularly to prevent them from scratching furniture or people. It is also important to clean your cat's ears and teeth to prevent infections and dental problems. Creating a safe and comfortable living environment. Cats are natural explorers, so it's important to create a safe and comfortable living environment for them. Make sure your home is free of hazards such as toxic plants, small objects that can be swallowed, and open windows or balconies. Provide your cat with a cozy bed or sleeping area, as well as plenty of toys and scratching posts to keep them entertained. Socializing and training your cat. Cats are social creatures, but they can also be independent. Spend time playing with your cat and showing them affection to build a strong bond. It is also important to train your cat to use a litter box and avoid destructive behavior. Use positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, to encourage good behavior. Health and veterinary care. Regular veterinary care is important to keep your cat healthy and catch any potential health problems early on. Make sure your cat is up to date on vaccinations and schedule regular checkups with your veterinarian. If you notice any changes in your cat's behavior or health, seek veterinary care immediately. Conclusion. Raising cats at home can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. By following these basic guidelines for feeding, grooming, creating a safe living environment, socializing, and veterinary care, you can ensure your furry feline is healthy and happy. With proper care and attention, your cat can be a beloved companion for many years to come.